Hello, scientists. In this science unit, you're going to be learning about solids and liquids. Today, we're going to take a look at some of the vocabulary words that are coming up in your lessons. We will review together the academic and content vocabulary words for this unit of study. We will study word meanings and look at examples to help you understand the work that you will be doing during your science lessons this week. Let's get started. Today we're going to look at the academic and content vocabulary words. What are academic vocabulary words? They're words you may find in some of the focuses and questions for this lesson. These words can be found in other subject areas as well. What are content vocabulary words? Those are words that are specific to understanding these science lessons. Academic vocabulary. Here's the focus question for this lesson. How can we sort solids? The academic vocabulary word is solids. Do you know what solid means? A solid is an object that keeps its shape and takes up space. Listen to my sentence where I use the word solid. It says, crayons are solids that come in different colors. Can you think of another example of a solid? Take a look around where you are. Do you see any solids around you? Something that takes up space and keeps its shape? Now we're going to look at the content vocabulary words. These are some of the words that you'll be learning during your science lessons this week. Classify, sort, shape, texture, size. Classify is to group objects based on how they're similar. Here's an example of me using classified in a sentence. It says the crayons were classified based on their colors. So they were grouped together based on what color they were. Another word that means the same thing as classify is sort, to group objects based on how they are similar. Here's the sentence. The crayons were sorted based on their color. So what I did here was I took the word classified out and I put sorted inside the same sentence. Now, can you think of a sentence that uses either of those words, classify or sort? Shape means the form of an object. Listen to my sentence and how I use shape in this sentence. I made a house using shapes. Look at the picture. What shapes did I use? If you said triangle, rectangle, or square, you're correct. Now take a look at the objects around you. What shape are those objects? Can you find an object that's a square shape? Can you find an object around you that might be a triangle shape? How about an object that's a rectangle shape or a circle shape? Great job. Our next word is texture. Texture is how something feels. Take a look at the picture on the slide. Listen to the sentence. The texture of this rock is hard and bumpy. If I were to touch that rock, that's how it would feel. Now, if you have an object around you that you can touch, can you think about how it may feel? What is its texture? Is it smooth or is it bumpy? Does it feel hard or soft? Think about those things. Here's our next word, size. Size tells how large or how small something is. Listen to the sentence with the word size in it. It says, the child's shoe size is smaller than the adult's shoe size. Can you think of a sentence that you can use the vocabulary word size in? If you need help, take a look at the objects around you. Compare them. Which object is smaller than the other object you see? Or what object might be taller and another object might be shorter? Great job. Those are the awesome words for this lesson. Now that you're familiar with these awesome words, you'll be able to use and understand them during your learning. I hope you enjoyed this video.